Hello children, my name is Kanak Ripani. I am going to teach you Social Study Lesson 17, The British in India, page number 97. Revolt of 1857, the first war of independence. Before the revolt started, there were several months of tension among the Indian soldiers. Because of the new rifle called Enfield they had to use, a rumor spread that the cartridges were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. This was against the religious sentiments of both Hindu and Muslim soldiers. Indian soldiers refused to use these rifles and revolted. This sparked off a revolt which soon spread across northern India and became a mass rebellion. The revolt started at Meerut. It was joined by farmers, craftsmen, and other sections of society. The soldiers declared Bahadur Shah Jafar, the last Mughal emperor, as their leader. The revolt spread rapidly to other parts of India. Different leaders led the revolt in different parts of India. Some of the prominent leaders were Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and Liaquat Ali. Therefore, children, the revolt started at Meerut. And what was the cause of the revolt? Because there was several tension, and one of the tension was of the new rifle called Enfield, which they had to use. And a rumor spread that the cartridges were greased with the fat of cows and pigs, and this was against the religious sentiments of both Hindu and Muslim soldiers. And the soldiers declared Bahadur Shah Jafar as the last Mughal emperor as their leader. Different leaders led the revolt in different parts of India. Some of the prominent leaders were Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and Liaquat Ali. After the revolt, the First War of Independence was suppressed by the English. Many factors were responsible for its failures. It did not spread to all parts of India. It was not supported by all Indians. Indian soldiers did not have sufficient guns and latest weapons, whereas English soldiers had sufficient funds and modern weapons. The British government in Britain put an end to the East India Company and directly took charge. Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of India. Who was declared? Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of India. Indian princes were allowed to rule over their kingdom, but they were under the control of a viceroy who was appointed by the Queen.